Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to install ChatGPT app on your mobile phone. So I will show you three different apps that you can use, actually four different apps that you can use on your mobile phone, whether you are an iPhone user, iOS user, or Android user as well. So first of all, when you go to your app store on your iPhone, this is how it will look like. So just search for ChatGPT. You will get two different ChatGPT. You will have Reply AI. This is probably an ad. As you can see, it's a good app, but you can try it out, but I would definitely recommend using this one. This is basically a ChatGPT kind of like copy on your iPhone, so you can go and talk with your AI assistant on your iPhone through Genie AI chatbot. As you can see, it has 5 stars right here, so it has good reviews, so you can do that on your iPhone. You can install it on your iPhone. Now for Android, you can use Talk GPT, which is basically kind of like the same bot like Genie, just on Android, right? As you can see, you can do a lot of stuff. You can use your language for speech and translation. You can also ask any question, as you can see, and basically the AI will give you back the answer, and yeah, you will be able to talk with them, especially with your with your basically language, right? So you can go and talk to them in real life, which is great. Then we have Chatio. Chatio is kind of like a copy of ChatGPT. It's still good, but again, it's not as good as the first two apps that I showed you. Obviously, you can you can talk with them. It's pretty basic, I would say. So if I wanted to kind of recommend you which app to download, Talk GPT if you want to use it on Android, and Genie AI chatbot if you want to use it on iPhone. So that's basically how to install the chatbot or app on mobile, right? The ChatGPT app on mobile. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.